Tired of driving with one headlight? Don't risk a ticket, or your safety. Let's fix that Chevy Colorado headlight now. First, pop the hood and find the back of your headlight. Make sure your truck is off and the battery is disconnected for safety. Next, spot the wiring harness behind the headlight. Gently twist and pull it out. The bulb should come out with it. Now check the bulb. If you see a broken filament or dark spots, it's time for a new one. Match your old bulb with a new one. Look for the same number on the base. Push the new bulb into the socket without touching the glass. Oil from your fingers can make it burn out faster. Twist it back into place, reconnect the wiring harness and hook the battery back up. Test your headlights. Still not working? Check the fuse box under the hood. Look for a blown fuse and swap it if needed. Most headlight issues come down to a bad bulb or fuse. No need for a mechanic. You've got this. And remember, always check both headlights to stay safe on the road. Got it? Thanks for watching.